welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing something fun. We've got free prints, yay! So, long story short, one of my best friends, shout out to UT, did an anime wall, and I was like, oh, that's super dope, like, I gotta do that kind of thing. So I told her, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do exactly what you're doing because I absolutely loved it. I'm just gonna make it, you know, a little bit smaller. So I ordered, she got hers from Shutterfly. I ended up getting mine from Free Prints, which actually took forever to get here. I ordered them November 29th, thinking they would be here, you know, by like December 8th or something. They didn't get here till like December 15th. So yeah, that was something else. Sorry y'all if I have a bump. I literally ran right into a shelf in my bathroom, jabbed right in my head, so it kind of really hurts right now, and I see it, like, you may not be able to tell, but it's starting to get really pink and it hurts. I'm like, ooh. Anyways, what was I gonna say? Yeah, so I've like cleared off the back wall. I'll show you guys here in a second. I've like cleared off the whole space right here behind my vanity and stuff, and I want to have the anime going all the way down. I'm super excited. I got 85 photos. So with how they had theirs going is you get 85 free photos a month, and you just pay for shipping and handling. And that was, I think it was no more than $9. It's like $8 and some change, and I ended up getting that. So hopefully the quality is good. You guys are gonna see me open them firsthand right here. So let's see what they look like. They gave me like 2 packs. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Throw that on the floor. Get later. Guess I'll hold on to this just in case something happens. By the way, y'all have on my Christmas onesie. Super excited about that. Okay, they give you a whole bunch of promotional stuff. Thanks. Ooh. Oh, wow. They came out dope. Let me see. Let me show you guys. So, like, the quality looks really good. Oh, this is so cute. It looks so good. Yeah, I got 3 because I love this anime. If y'all haven't watched it on Netflix yet, you should definitely watch it. And of course, everyone knows I got the buns. I love Sailor Moon. This one I'll talk about in particular real quick because they said that when I was doing it, I got all my photos off of Pinterest, but it kept showing, like, when you get the photos and stuff, it was like, oh, low resolution. Like, a lot of my photos said low resolution, and this is one of them. And as you can see, it came out quite all right. Oh, this is so beautiful. Okay, so you guys get the gist. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done. I'm done fangirling and everything. I just had to show you guys a few of them. If y'all have not watched Jujutsu Kaisen yet, what are you doing with your life? Okay? Like, some of these, y'all. You're gonna see my wall. I'm super excited. I'm hoping all of them fit. If they don't, I'm about to be picking and choosing. But yeah, I just want to come on here and show you guys that, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I put them up there. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, everyone. So you see I have a buttload of photos spread out on my bed. I tried to categorize them by like the anime, like Naruto's over here, Sailor Moon, you know, like miscellaneous. The ones here at the bottom that go like hot dog, no, hamburger, whatever way, the long way like this, I put them like all down here because I didn't want to, like, I don't know, mix them up. And then like at the top, you see I love Studio Ghibli. Right over there. Carolyn Tuesday, Hunter x Hunter, Fairy Tail, Tokyo Ghoul, Nana. Oh my goodness, if y'all have not seen, well, Nana, that is like one of my faves, top 5s. Super Gals, hello, old time, you gotta love it. Violet Evergarden. Let's see. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love Future Diary, Midnight Nikki, whatever you want to call it. Love it. Like, I think it's like top 3. It's such a psychological thriller though, so if you're not ready for it, don't try. And as you can see, I absolutely love how these came out from Kakeguri. Amazing. You see I got some Haikyuu back there, Karasuno, Demon Slayer, Hubby. But for real, so I just want to show you guys what I'm working with, and you're gonna see me like plastered on the wall. So yeah, I'll be back. Don't mind my fussy nails. With the finished product, and this is what it looks like. I am absolutely in love. I honestly believe I had just enough photos to do it because I used every single one. Like you see over in this corner, like I just started like stuffing them because I didn't like the gray spaces. Yeah, me and my onesie. But that is what it looks like. Let me back up so you guys can get a better view. But yeah, I think it looks super cute. I needed some anime in my room, and honestly, like it wasn't gonna go anywhere else. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to share this with all your anime loving otaku friends because we gotta help each other out in this world. But yeah, thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. Bye. So this is really just gonna be a video of me showing you kind of my room decor, my anime wall that I have made, my vinyl and everything, pretty much how I'm bringing my whole room together. You can see behind me right over here, I just bought a new bed frame off of Wayfair. I will show you guys that. I have a comforter out there in the hallway with a whole bunch of pillows behind me, but just kind of wanted to show you a little intro to what's going on. So let's see if y'all can see that. There is my bed frame that I got. I really do love it though. It's really cute. Don't mind the mess that I have going on here right now. And if you come out here, I bought this super cute comforter that I got from Target. I absolutely love it. I got me a sitting pillow, some sheets, and some pillows. So just stay tuned for the finished product. And I'll show you guys in the next clip pretty much a time lapse of me bringing my room together. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, so here is the final look. This is my anime wall, and I think it came out absolutely amazing. And there's me just videotaping for you guys. This is my vanity. You have these cool lights. Let me see if I can show y'all. But it has a button on the side. You see it turns it on, off, and then I can also adjust like the lighting settings. I got them off Amazon. If I can find the link for those, I will. I got this stand off of IKEA. It's got all my cute little things up there. What's behind there? Actually says Boss Lady and it lights up. I got all these cute things, my Polaroid. I got that cute jewelry box from Home Goods. I got a scent portable. And yeah, I have my calendar, which has everything I need on it. I mounted my TV about a year ago, but that was one of the best decisions I ever made, honestly. I did want to show you guys these cute little things on my dresser, like these things. Let me see. This I did get from TJ Maxx, but these things right here, like this, I actually made this. I saw a tutorial on it. It may have been YouTube, it may have been TikTok. I'm not sure at the moment, but I made all that stuff from the Dollar Tree. It was amazing. And I made these. I literally just made these the other day because I thought they were so cute. I saw the mirror thing and I saw this. Oh, I got hot glue on it. Hold on. Yeah, you can tell I just made it because I still got hot glue on it. Okay. But I have to vacuum anyway, so it's okay. But yeah, I have that. You don't have this candle. I need to go ahead and get that because it smells amazing. Oh, and I also made these. I got all this stuff in the Dollar Tree. So I put the words Prada on it, and I put the words Chanel on that one. I did get those letters from Michael's, but everything else came from the Dollar Tree. You can see it was a little Christmas ornament, and I just glued it upside down and filled it with some diamonds and stuff. But yeah, I get real creative when I want certain things. This is my little vinyl setup area. I think it's super cute. I got that from IKEA. I got the shelf from IKEA, and the vinyl I ended up getting from Urban Outfitters a long time ago. Say hey to my cute little baby plant. I did want to tell you guys, this is a Chinese money tree. She's growing so big. I haven't named them yet. So if you guys have any cute names, you know, I would greatly appreciate it because I haven't been able to give her a name and I've had them since October. But oh, I did want to show you guys, I have my vinyls down here. This box is a huge box full of vinyls. Every CD Rihanna ever made is in this box in a vinyl form. It's the best Christmas gift I ever got. Thanks so much, love. I appreciate it. Mwah. But yeah, I'll put that over there. What else do I got? Oh, I think you guys really like this. So I did see this on TikTok, however. It was, oops, sorry about that. But a girl made a money video, like the 100 envelope challenge, where you save money and you can do it for 52 weeks, however long you want to do. You can do $1, $5, whatever it is you want to do. But I decided to do the money challenge thing. But I want to decorate my own box, so as you can see, got a whole bunch of stuff in here. I thought this was bomb AF. And I thought it was cute that I put their faces back there like that. Like, oh my God, do a split. Let's see. So I wanted to have this in a place where I could actually see it and remind me of my goals. I'm gonna be done by the end of this year. Hopefully I reach my goal. Actually, I will, So I ended up getting the comforter from Target. I got the bed frame I told you guys from Wayfair. And I got that little sit-up pillow from Wayfair as well. Yeah, but this is the finished room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys loved the anime wall as much as I did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. The last time に僕らは歩き慣れてきた日々も問う